Just a little update on Pleepleus. She's doing better today. She's a little bit more alert. She still can't stand or walk. I couldn't balance her on the roost post. But certain things she seems to be eating all by herself. And I have a hard-boiled egg to give her some protein and energy that she was just pecking at. Maybe we'll see her continue to eat this. Maybe if I bring it up a little closer to her, she'll smell it. There you go. She's eating the yolk. It's a little bit easier for her to eat, especially if it doesn't have too much energy. Come on, some more. How about that angle? The chickens are just such delicate little creatures. The littlest thing can get them sick, and they do fall pretty quickly. So if you're not watching them closely, it could go bad pretty quick. Fortunate enough in this case where I detected something was off with her and was able to get her in and get her safety and get her cleaned. Come on. You have to eat. You have to eat. Come on. Don't start falling asleep now. It's early, it's still light out. Yeah, got a lot of water in there. I did feed her with the syringe some water before, but it looks like she's rejecting this now. She doesn't want it. Maybe she wants to eat it on her own at her own pace. Alright, well, that's today's update. Hopefully we'll have some more improvements with her as we go. And it seems like she definitely is a little bit more alert. And we'll see you soon.